Hi, good morning everybody. It's Splash here, otherwise known as Eki, and I worked at Kamp Kiwanis starting in the summer of 2000 there. I started as the arts and crafts director and the first aid director, and now I still work at camp, so that's where I am right now. I have tons and tons of memories being at camp over 2 decades, and I'd like to share one of them with you now. So this is a poem written by a good camp friend of mine named Ocean in 2002. And Ocean adapted this poem from Robert Fulghum's All I Really Need to Know I Learned in Kindergarten. And I've made a few tweaks to it as well. All I really need to know about how to live and what to do and how to be, I learned at Kamp Kiwanis. Wisdom was not high up in the mountains, but there in the mud pits. These are the things I learned. Share everything, especially certain food groups like camp stir-fry, out-trip meals, and s'mores. Don't hit people, unless it is an essential part of a camp skit and you are just pretending. Put things back where you found them, because if you don't, it might start looking like the prop room. Clean up your own mess before cabin inspectors arrive. Say you are sorry when you hurt someone, and importantly, ask 4 basic questions to problem solve. How did that happen? How did it make you feel? Do you want it to happen again? Then what can you say or do to help make things better? Wash your hands often, and especially before you eat and do table setting. Flush, but use the biffies to help save the planet. Water, hats, and sunscreen are good for you. Live a balanced life. Learn some and think some, and craft and swim and sing and play every day some. Take a nap wherever you can and whenever you can, during nature spots, even during a game of camp-wide sardines. When you go out into the world, watch out for bears, hold hands, and stick together. Create magic. Remember the truffula seed in the cup. The roots go down and the plant goes up, and nobody really knows how or why, but we are all like that. Squirrels, spiders, and your cabin, and even the little seed in the cup, they all die. So do we. So remember to live every moment. And remember the first time when you arrived at camp and everyone was so excited to greet you? Wouldn't it be awesome if we greeted everyone with such joy? Everything you need to know is in the camp staff manual somewhere. The golden rule and love and politics and equality and sane living. Think of what a better world it would be if we all, the whole world, had a snack, received teddy bear awards, a sleepy time thought, and then fell asleep to the soft playing of a guitar. Or if governments had as basic a policy to always put away what they took and cleaned up their own mess. And what a world it would be if we had a peanut skit instead of news, and we all shouted with joy when we heard the word I wannas. If we got together every night just to sing, and we all knew how to turn a rainy day into a sunny one. Imagine if we loved each other enough to stay up all night just for a smile. So as we grow in different directions from camp, it is important that we take a piece of it with us, that we continue to create magic in our lives and the lives of others. And it is still true that no matter where we go or how old we grow, we remember to hold hands and stick together. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed the little poem there and you're having a wonderful day wherever you are in the world right now, and that you stay in touch with camp and that you remember everything that you learned while you were at Kamp Kiwanis. That'll help keep you safe. Stay healthy and stay safe, guys. Bye for now.